Balance on the payables ledger control account. At 1 May 20X8, the payables ledger control account showed a balance of $35,580. At the end of May, the following totals are extracted from the subsidiary books for May. Purchases Daybook, $45,950. Returns Outwards Daybook, $6,873. Returns Inwards Daybook, $3,310. Payments to payables after deducting $358 cash discount, $49,090. It is also discovered that A. The purchase day book figure is net of sales tax at 20%. The other figures all include sales tax. B. A customer's balance of $605 has been offset against his balance of $913 in the payables ledger. C. A supplier's account in the payables ledger with a debit balance of $200 has been included on the list of payables as a credit balance. What is the corrected balance on the payables ledger control account? Answer: Payables ledger control account. Returns outwards, $6,873. Balance B over F, $3,580. Payments to payables, $49,090. Credit purchases, $45,950 times 1.20, $55,140. Discount received, $358. Contra, $605. Balance, C over F, $33,794. Total, $90,720. Balance, B over F, $33,794.